Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to send pictures as snaps on Snapchat. So guys, let's continue into your Snapchat. Now take a picture and then tap on the next option. Now select the ID of the person. Now select the ID of that person to whom you want to send this picture. So I'm selecting and after selecting tap on the next option. So guys, you can see your pictures has been sent as snap. So guys, as you can see, your pictures has been sent as a snap. So guys, that's it. That's how you can send pictures as a snap, pictures as snaps on Snapchat very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.